Alabama gun laws seem to have fairly more liberal regulations regarding the acquisition, possession, and registration of firearms. Alabama gun laws do not require individuals to procure a gun permit for the purchase of rifles, shotguns, and or handguns. Generally speaking, anyone can buy a firearm at a local sporting goods store or hunting store without having to produce a permit. However, even though the state of Alabama may have its own regulations and laws regarding firearms, it still must adhere to certain federal laws and guidelines. Alabama residents that are over the age of 18 are allowed to purchase rifles and shotguns from any licensed dealer in any given state. However, the sale and purchasing of handguns is restricted only to residents that are at least 21 years of age. Any gun that does not have a shoulder stock is not considered as a rifle or shotgun, and therefore, is not available for purchase by individuals that are under the 21-year age limit. Furthermore, Alabama law also restricts the sale of any firearm to individuals that may have a history of violence, disorderly conduct, or alcohol-related problems. Also, any individual that can be legally declared as mentally unstable may not purchase any kind of firearm. The Alabama gun laws state that the possession of any kind of firearm is not unlawful without a permit. No permit is necessary to possess a firearm, as long as the individual is over the age of 18, has no criminal record, does not have a documented history involving drugs or alcohol in relation to disorderly conduct, and is not legally declared as having mental stability problems. The only exceptions to this rule is that a person cannot possess a firearm while being in a public place, or within the immediate proximity of a demonstration. Secondly, the possession of short-barreled or sawed-off shotguns and rifles is also prohibited. Carrying firearms openly is also allowed by Alabama gun laws. However, there are key exceptions to the rule. The most notable being that it is against the law to carry a concealed firearm without a permit. The only necessary Alabama gun permit required in the state is to carry concealed firearms. Unless otherwise allowed by local law enforcement officials, it is illegal to carry a pistol, either on his person or concealed in a vehicle, unless the individual is within his/her own private property. The only situation where this may be reconsidered is under specific circumstances, where an individual can provide for a valid reason to carry a handgun. Only under special mandate of the proper official, and under his/her own discretion, may the concealed firearm law in Alabama be overturned. Any individual who is not a resident of the state of Alabama may carry a handgun, as long as they can provide the necessary documentation as being qualified and licensed to carry a handgun in their state of residency. Lastly, police and law enforcement officials are the outstanding exemption to this law as well.
Everything Bama. Everything Bama. Really? What? Bama, 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 Bama. Roll Tide. Bama, 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 Bama. On everything. Bama, 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 Bama. Roll Tide. Bama, 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 Bama. What? I ain't talking orange and blue, I'm talking Bama. Everywhere that I go, they screaming Bama. Hit by some tragedy, but we still Bama. Bear through the storm like Brian, cause we Bama. Black and white, check and snap back, cause we Bama. We might have took a loss, but we still